Hey everyone, today I've got another lock for you. It's a Steele disc type lock. This is one of the locks I got a while back from Texas Gym. I'm finally getting around to picking it. Actually, let me put the short end in there. Well, let's show you the key first. There's the key. Pretty wild bitting on this thing. It does work really well. It's real smooth. So let's go ahead and go with bottom of the keyway tension, and I want to use my Sparrow's Euro hook. Pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, okay, it feels like I've already overset some people, so let's that's a problem with this keyway. I can't really even get a 15 thousandths in here to pick from the bottom. So it's kind of a game of who am I going to overset next? So if I feel that I got somebody overset, I've just been releasing tension, dropping a few back down, and coming back in, and trying to clean house. There's another release of tension. Pin 1, and there goes pin 2. Still nothing, so I'll release again. Feels like they're overset again, so I'm going to go ahead and release a little bit. I click out of 3 and 4. Little click out of 2. Nope. Like I said, just a game of overset and release, and hopefully get the right order here. Not a whole lot happening here now. See, the overset problem is pretty much the main reason why I haven't gotten this one on film yet. I felt a tiny false set just now. There we go, and we have it open. So that's this Steele lock that I got from Texas Jim. Jim, thanks for the lock. I really appreciate it. Everybody else, stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. Never pick any locks that you don't own or locks that you don't have permission to pick. And as always, please like and subscribe by hitting the big subscribe button underneath the video.